Hey guys, this is Mark Yo here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today with me here I have two exciting products from Innergie, a 63 watt power adapter and a Type-C to Type-C cable, which I've been using for more than 2 weeks already. To be honest, I'm quite impressed with this charger, and I have here my phones from Samsung, Xiaomi and Realme, which I will test one by one later to see whether the charging protocol are supported or not using this charger. At the top right, you can see that Innergie provides 3 years warranty for this charger. And this charger can be used for your laptop, phones and tablet. And it has Innergie proprietary Innergie protection to avoid damaging your device during the charging process. And in this box also it has travel adapter plugs, which are interchangeable for different countries you visit. At the side of the box here is the charging output for each of the 2 USB ports of this charger. And these are the estimated charging time to fully charge a MacBook Pro 13-inch and iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is not bad. In the box there's safety information and also a very basic instruction. 4 types of adapter plug. And this is actually the common ones used in Malaysia. That's great. And this is the actual charger. So as you can see here, it supports power delivery and it only has 2 Type-C port. And you have the adapter plug here. Just put it in, twist it, and it's done. You can use it already. And also I have here my old-fashioned Samsung Galaxy Note 9 charger. Okay, as you can see here, it's just slightly bigger. Okay, after you put in the adapter plug. The next one is Innergie Type-C to Type-C cable, and this is actually nylon braid metallic tip that supports 10 gigabit per second, super speed data transfer, and supports up to 3 ampere of charging. You guys can see here that the nylon cable is super tough. With me here, I have some of the phones by Samsung, Xiaomi, Poco, and also Realme. So the first one is actually the S100 Ultra that supports maximum of 45 watt of super fast charging 2.0. And the next one, this is actually last year's flagship killer, the Mi 10T Pro that supports 33 watt of turbo charging. And this is the latest Poco M4 Pro that supports 33 watt of turbo charging also. And this is the Realme GT Neo 2 that supports 65 watt of maximum dart charging, super dart charging. And on top, this is the Mi 11 that supports maximum of 55 watt of turbo charging. And the last one will be the Poco X3 Pro that supports 33 watt of turbo charging. So guys, let's start with the first one, the S100 Ultra. So as you can see here, this charger and also this cable supports super fast charging 2.0, maximum 45 watt for this phone. So the next one is the Xiaomi Poco category, whereby all these 4 phones actually supports turbo charging. And let's start with the Mi 11. Okay, only quick charging. Again. Yep, confirm only 18 watt of maximum charging. And the next one is the Poco X3 Pro. So again. Also normal quick charging. And Mi 10T Pro. Again. But one thing very interesting, the last one, the Poco M4 Pro, it supports turbocharging. So maximum 33 watt of turbocharging. So this is actually quite interesting. So one of the explanation might be this phone uses MediaTek latest Dimensity 810 chipset, whereby all these three phones also uses Snapdragon chipset. So that's why it supports turbocharging for this phone. So I don't see any other explanation. What do you think? So let me know in the comments below. And the last phone that I'm going to try is Realme latest GT Neo 2. And let's see whether it supports the charging protocol. Again. So just normal charging. So guys, the next one is that I'll be fully utilizing the two Type-C ports of this charger and charging two phones at the same time. So I'll be testing the S100 Ultra and also the Poco M4 Pro. So both phones are actually connected via the same Innergie cable. And in 3, 2, 1, on. So guys, as you can see, it supports super fast charging 2.0 as well as the 33 watt of turbocharging on the Poco M4 Pro. So there you go guys, my testing using the 63 watt Innergie fast power adapter. To me, I like that this charger has 3 years warranty, compact size with interchangeable travel adapter plugs as you can see here. You have 4 here and support some of the charging protocols on the devices I've shown just now. It's good alternative for some people who just need one charger for all devices when you travel different countries. So do let me know if you have any question. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace guys.